Python modules, welcome to our Python tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the concept of Python modules. Modules are essential for organizing and reusing code in Python. We'll discuss two types of modules: built-in modules that come with Python and user-defined modules that we can create ourselves. Let's dive in. Built-in modules. Python provides a wide range of built-in modules that offer ready-to-use functionalities. These modules, such as datetime, OS, math, sys, and random, are part of the Python standard library. We can import them using the import statement to access their functions and tools for tasks like date and time manipulation, file operations, mathematical calculations, system interactions, and random number generation. User-defined modules. Python allows us to create our own modules to encapsulate code and make it reusable. User-defined modules are Python files with a .py extension. We can define functions, classes, variables, etc. in these modules based on our requirements. Creating user-defined modules promotes code organization, reusability, and maintainability. We can import our custom modules into other Python programs, leveraging their functionalities and avoiding code duplication. To use functions, classes, or variables from a module, we need to import it into our script. The import statement is used for this purpose. We can import the entire module or specific components using from module import component. Importing modules allows us to access their functionalities and use them in our code. It promotes code modularity and reduces the need for rewriting code, making development more efficient. To explore the available functions, classes, and variables within a module, we can use the dir function. By calling dir in our script, we get an overview of the module's contents, enabling us to discover its functionalities and choose the ones that suit our needs. Stay tuned for more Python tutorials in our series.